Whoa, you're supposed to be sleeping right now, but instead you're watching YouTube because your dopamine addicted brain just can't get enough. But what if there was a way to gamify sleep into something you could get a high score in? Okay, so I want to make an alarm clock that makes getting out of bed competitive. It can't just live next to your bed like a normal one, because that's useless. Instead, it times how long it takes you to physically get up and press the button to stop the alarm, and then uses that time, as well as some other things like bonus points for good habits and streak multipliers, to give you a score for the night. When I started this project, I thought it wouldn't take me that long. I thought I could just get the basics done and call it a day. But then whilst testing it, I realized it might not just be a silly bot idea, it might actually be useful. So I kept adding new parts and functions to make it a full polished system, and I think I'm almost there. So let me finish up by making a case for the controller, and I'll show you how it works. Right, the sleepbot system has three main parts: your phone, the server, and the controller. But it starts on a night when you get sent a notification warning you that you have 1 hour left to clock out if you don't want to end your streak. So to do this, you have to start by plugging your phone into charge at a wire that can't reach your bed by an NFC tag. You can then scan the tag, and if it's before the set time and your phone is on charge, you'll have successfully clocked out and your streak will be increased as long as you stay off your phone. The next morning your alarm will go off and a timer will start. Your goal is to get up and out of bed fast, press the stop button on the controller to cancel the alarm and pause the timer. The stop button is a separate device for a reason, because instead of waking up and already having access to your phone and social media in your hands, you're presented with 4 new lights, each one corresponding to a morning habit you want to complete. And once you've completed them, you can continue with your day and then go to the app on your phone, which is hosted locally on the server, which is the central brain for the sleepbot system, and check your score. It shows your high and current score, the streak of days in a row you successfully clocked out in time and stopped the alarm within 1 minute, and your 4 habit streaks. Then underneath that you can set your alarm and clock out time and which days you want the alarm to go off. I also made it so it controls my Govee bulbs to slowly dim them down at night and then brighten up before my alarm. Then there's just a history button to see or modify your data. So I've been using this system for a while now, and what do I think? I honestly really like it, and I'll keep using it. I also think I'll keep changing it and adding features to it to make it more useful. I'm not expecting anyone else to use it either. I could have made it easier and cheaper to set up if I just made the controller and the server one thing, but I wanted to use these speakers for it, but it's something I could change later on. This isn't the video I originally planned on making when I started, and I'm not going into the technical specifics about how it works or how you can set it up yourself, but that could be something I do in the future. But for now, the code is on GitHub linked in the description with a basic example of how to set it up, but it's not exactly plug and play. But thank you for watching, let me know what you think about it, and good night.